Hello, my name is Charles Cornelius, or Charlie for short. I'm originally from England, but I'm currently based in Da Nang, and that's a city in Vietnam, on the coast of Vietnam, about halfway between Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi. And I do some work with IDP here in Da Nang. I've been teaching IELTS now for about 10 years. I've been teaching for over 20 years, mainly in international schools all over the world, including countries like Thailand, Russia, Slovakia, Kenya, Hungary, other countries I think as well, can't remember them all. I really enjoy helping students with tasks to writing, and I know a lot of you on the Tips and Tricks group have questions or concerns about IELTS writing tasks too. So if you've got any questions about that, I'll be happy to help. Same with any other part of the IELTS test. So I look forward to being able to help you.
Hi folks, my name is Joko and I'm one of the mentors here at the IELTS Tips and Tricks page. I've been coming here for about a year and a half. I'm members. In 2019, I was probably one of the most prolific people who would post things and give people feedback. If you want my feedback, the place to put it is here. See here where it says waiting feedback. When you put your essay in, that's a possible tag that you can put. If you don't catch one of those, you can see me lots of other places. Start here on Facebook. It has nothing to do with anything religious. Temple. I have a cat, you can hear. And I try to rotate these videos. I've been so busy lately with my job, I haven't been able to do much here. I'm a filmmaker, a video maker, and I will probably, if you do get a review from me, it'll probably be on video, and I'll probably make you feel bad. Well, I rub people the wrong way, and so if you get if I give you a feedback, see, oops, don't do that. A feedback. Feedback is uncountable. Don't be pissed off if I'm sarcastic. You'll appreciate it in the end.
Hello, my name's Michael Chambers. I'm a specialist IELTS tutor from England. I have taught English as a foreign language for the last 6 years full-time. For the last 3 or 4 years, I've specialised in IELTS, and I would say that around 75% of my time is now spent teaching IELTS candidates. I have a Band 9 in IELTS. I've taken the test twice, academic, the paper version, and the computer version. And the last time I took it, got 8.5 in writing. Most of my IELTS work is writing coaching with also speaking as well. I have a list of happy clients, and if you'd like to contact me, I'd be delighted to see what I could do for you. All the best.